How to clear all liked videos on YouTube all at once. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can clear all liked videos on YouTube at once. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing you will need to do is open up your YouTube. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After you've done that, you can head over to You page on the bottom right. After you do that, head over to your Google account. That's right here. Tap on it, and now you're on your Google account settings. Now what you'll need to do is head over to your data and privacy, and after you're on your data and privacy, scroll down till you find history settings. Now right here you'll find web and app activity. Head over there, and after you're on web and app history, you will just need to scroll down. You will see manage all web and app activity. Tap on it, and it will take you to another page. Now after you're on this page, you will see the list of YouTube videos on the bottom, and on this search bar right here you will see three dots. Tap on that and tap on other activity. After you do that, you can just scroll down till you find an option that says YouTube likes and dislikes. Tap on that, and now you're on YouTube likes and dislikes section. You'll also find your comments here, and now what you'll need to do is you will need to remove each and everything here. Now there will be a remove button right here on the right hand side. You will just need to tap on that X button, and then you are basically good to go. That is how you can clear all liked videos on YouTube at once. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.